Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and your finger. Make sure battery is healthy and the sensor is clean. Open Settings, then tap Security and Privacy and choose Fingerprint ID to begin. You will be asked to confirm or set a backup PIN or pattern. Enter it now so the phone can proceed. Once done, the phone will prompt you to register a fingerprint. Follow on-screen prompts and keep your finger steady, because accurate placement matters for long-term reliability. You now register the fingerprint by placing the finger on the sensor when prompted. Lift and reposition between taps to capture different edges and pressure patterns. Make sure to vary angles slightly so the sensor learns full fingerprint geometry. This reduces false rejects later. If progress stalls, reposition the finger or wipe the sensor and your finger. Once one fingerprint reaches completion, repeat for a second finger like the thumb or index to ensure you can unlock easily in different grips or lighting conditions. You finish by enabling fingerprint unlock for the lock screen and any supported apps in the fingerprint settings. Toggle those options on. Test unlocking several times using different hand positions so you confirm reliability under real conditions. If the sensor often fails, delete the stored fingerprint and re-enroll it slowly, or clean the sensor and your finger. If problems persist, reboot the phone or remove system cache via recovery. One key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.